Mushrooms are often mistaken for vegetables, but they are actually fungi organisms with unique characteristics. With over 10,000 identified species, mushrooms vary in shapes, sizes, and colors. Despite being low in calories and fat, mushrooms are packed with fiber and essential nutrients for a healthy diet. Mushrooms exhibit fascinating characteristics, with some species having the ability to bioluminesce, emitting an enchanting glow in the dark. The honey fungus mushroom in Oregon holds the title of being the largest living organism on Earth. Furthermore, mushrooms come in a diverse array of colors, shapes, and sizes, adding to their allure. Mushrooms offer numerous health benefits, being a rich source of antioxidants and possessing anti-inflammatory properties. They contain essential vitamins such as B and D, contributing to overall well-being. Additionally, mushrooms are versatile in cooking, lending themselves well to a variety of dishes like soups and stir-fries.